In previous part, we discussed about the basic concept and method to solve problems on ages. Let's get discussed about some important problems that are asked in previous exams. Problem number 1. Shyam is 7 years older than Ram. If the total age of both is 17 years, what is the age of Ram? In such a type problem, first you have to make symbols for the corresponding names, as Shyam is represented by the letter S, Ram is represented by the letter R. Let's back to the question. As Shyam is 7 years older than Ram, which means Shyam has an age more than 7 with respect to Ram. It can be written as in algebra as S is equal to R plus 7, where S represents Shyam's age, R represents Ram's age. As R plus 7 means Shyam has an age of 7 years more than Ram's. Take the next point. If the total age of both is 17 years, it can be written as S plus R is equal to 17, which means Shyam's age plus Ram's age is 17. Now we have two equations and two unknowns. Substitute the value of S in equation 2. We get R plus 7 plus R is equal to 17. As S is equal to R plus 7, solving we get 2R plus 7 is equal to 17, which is 2R is equal to 17 minus 7, which is 10. Hence R is equal to 10 by 2, which is 5. So, the age of Ram is 5 years. Hence, the answer is option C. What about the age of Shyam? Substitute the value of R in any equation as S is equal to R plus 7. Then S is equal to 5 plus 7, which is 12. Hence, the age of Shyam will be 12. Let's take another problem. Bharaj is 10 years older than Ashok. If sum of the ages of both is 30 years, then what is the age of Ashok? It is similar to the previous problem. As first, let's take Bharaj as letter B and Ashok as A. Then by first sentence, Bharaj is 10 years older than Ashok. It can be written as B is equal to A plus 10. As Bharaj has more age than Ashok, that is 10 years, then sum of the ages of both is 30 years. That is B plus A is equal to 30. So we get two equations with two unknowns, say A and B. Substitute value of B in equation 2. We get A plus 10 plus A is equal to 30. Solving 2A plus 10, which is equal to 30, then 2A is equal to 20. So the age of Ashok is 10 years, hence option B is the correct answer. What about the age of Bharaj? As substitute A is equal to 10 in equation, we get B is equal to A plus 10, which is 10 plus 10, which is 20. So the age of Bharaj is 20 years. These two problems can be easily done by another method. Yes, it's like this. In this problem, age is taken as X. Then Shyam's age will be X plus 7 as 7 years older than Ram. The sum of their ages will be equal to 17. It will be X plus 7, which is equal to 17. Solving X plus X is equal to 2X. 2X plus 7 is equal to 17. 2X is equal to 10 and X is equal to 5. That is the age of Ram. Then age of Shyam will be X plus 7, which is 5 plus 7, which is equal to 12. This is another method for solving this type of problems. Let's take third problem. Joseph's present age is 2 by 3rd of Raghu's age. Faisal's age is half that of Raghu. After 6 years, Joseph's age becomes 46. Then what is the present age of Faisal? In this problem, there are 3 persons, namely Joseph, Raghu and Faisal. So it's better to solve like each person with a different letter. So Joseph's can be represented by J, Raghu can be represented as R and Faisal can be represented as F. These letters J, R, F are representing their current ages or present ages. Let's back to the problem. As Joseph's percentage is 2 by 3rd of Raghu's age, it can be represented as J is equal to 2 by 3rd times of R and Faisal's age is half that of Raghu. It will be F is equal to 1 by 2 of R. And after 6 years, if Joseph's age become 46, that means after 6 years, Joseph's age will be J plus 6, that is equal to 46. So we get J plus 6 is equal to 46. Now we can find Joseph's present age from this equation. Solving, we get J is equal to 46 minus 6, which is equal to 40. So, the present age of Joseph is 40 years, or J is equal to 40. Substitute value of J in equation 1 to get the present age of Raghu. 40 is equal to 2 by 3 into R. So, R is equal to 40 into 3 by 2. 40 and 2 can be cancelled to get 20. That 20 into 3 is equal to 60. So, the present age of Raghu is 60 years. But we have to find the present age of Faisal. From equation 2, we know that F is equal to 1 by 2 into R. Substituting value of R as 60 will get F is equal to 1 by 2 into 60. 60 and 2 can be cancelled to each other to get 30. So F is equal to 30. Hence the present age of Faisal is 30 years. Option C will be correct. Let's take another problem. The ratio of present age of Asha and Bikash is 2:4. The present age of Asha is 30 years. What would be the age of Bikash after 6 years? So, it's a problem based on ratio of ages. Let's start. It's given that ratio of present age of Asha and Bikash is 2:4. It can be written as A by B is equal to 2 by 4, where A represents present age of Asha and B represents present age of Bikash. By cross multiplying, we get 4A is equal to 2B. Cancelling 4 and 2, we get 2A is equal to B. And it is given that present age of Asha is 30 years, or A is equal to 30 years. Substituting on equation, we get 2 into 30 is equal to 60. Hence, present age of Bikash is 60 years. But the question is not to find the present age of Bikash. Instead, we have to find the age of Bikash after 6 years. It will be 60 plus 6, which is equal to 66 years. As the word after is come, so we have to add the years with the present ages. In the question, it is to find the age of Bikash before 6 years. That it will be 60 minus 6, which is equal to 54 years. Hence, the answer will be option A. Let's look at the last problem. If the total ages of Amar and Bikash is 18 years more than the total age of Bikash and Chayan, Chayan is now many years younger than Amar. So first, it is given that the total age of Amar and Bikash can be represented as A plus B. That is 18 years more than total age of Bikash and Chayan. So it can be written as A plus B is equal to 18 plus B plus C, where A is present age of Amar, B is present age of Bikash, C is present age of Chayan. Solving equation both B are cancelled, we get A is equal to 18 plus C, or C is equal to A minus 8. It means Chayan is 18 years younger than Amar. Hence, the answer will be option D. These are the important problems related to ages. It's important to understand the concept of past, present and future ages and how it can represent in mathematical expression. Then solve and find each term will get the answer.